Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of genomics. Genomics is the study of the complete set of DNA, including all of its genes in a person or organism. Over the past few decades, advances in genomics have revolutionized science, medicine, agriculture, and more. In this video, we'll explore the many ways genomics is being applied in real-world scenarios, from healthcare to environmental conservation. Let's begin by understanding what genomics is and why it matters in today's world. One of the most impactful applications of genomics is in the field of medicine. By analyzing a person's genetic makeup, doctors can predict susceptibility to certain diseases, tailor treatments, and even prevent illnesses before they start. This personalized approach, known as precision medicine, is transforming patient care. Genomics also helps in identifying rare genetic disorders, enabling early intervention and better management of health conditions. Genomics has become a game changer in cancer research and treatment. By studying the genetic mutations that drive cancer, scientists can develop targeted therapies that attack cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. This approach increases treatment effectiveness and reduces side effects. Genomic testing also helps in monitoring cancer progression and recurrence, offering hope for better outcomes. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs. This field allows doctors to prescribe medications that are most effective and least likely to cause adverse reactions based on an individual's genetic profile. By understanding genetic differences, healthcare providers can avoid the trial and error approach, making treatments safer and more efficient for everyone. Genomics plays a crucial role in understanding and controlling infectious diseases. By sequencing the genomes of viruses and bacteria, scientists can track outbreaks, identify mutations, and develop effective vaccines. This was especially evident during the COVID-19 pandemic, where genomic surveillance helped monitor the spread and evolution of the virus, guiding public health responses worldwide. Genomic technologies are now widely used in prenatal and newborn screening. By analyzing the DNA of a fetus or newborn, doctors can detect genetic disorders early, sometimes even before symptoms appear. This early detection allows for timely interventions, better management, and improved outcomes for babies and their families. Carrier screening uses genomics to identify individuals who carry genes for certain inherited diseases. This information is especially valuable for couples planning to have children, as it helps assess the risk of passing on genetic conditions. With this knowledge, families can make informed decisions about family planning and seek appropriate medical guidance. Genomics has transformed forensic science by enabling precise identification of individuals from tiny DNA samples. This technology is used in criminal investigations, disaster victim identification, and even in resolving historical mysteries. The accuracy and reliability of genomic evidence have made it a cornerstone in modern forensic investigations. In agriculture, genomics is used to improve crop yields, enhance resistance to pests and diseases, and develop plants that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. By understanding the genetic makeup of crops, scientists can breed better varieties, ensuring food security and sustainability for a growing global population. Genomics is also applied to livestock breeding. By analyzing the DNA of animals, farmers can select for desirable traits such as growth rate, disease resistance, and milk production. This leads to healthier animals, increased productivity, and more efficient farming practices, benefiting both producers and consumers. Ensuring food safety is another important application of genomics. By identifying the genetic fingerprints of pathogens in food, scientists can trace contamination sources and prevent outbreaks. This technology helps protect public health and maintains consumer confidence in the food supply. Genomics is a powerful tool in conservation biology. By studying the genetic diversity of endangered species, scientists can develop strategies to protect and restore populations. Genomic data helps in managing breeding programs, monitoring genetic health, and ensuring the long-term survival of species at risk. Environmental genomics involves analyzing DNA from soil, water, and air samples to study ecosystems. This approach helps scientists monitor biodiversity, detect invasive species, and assess environmental health. By understanding the genetic makeup of entire communities, we can make better decisions for conservation and resource management. Genomics has opened up new frontiers in studying the microbiome, the collection of microbes living in and on our bodies. By sequencing microbial DNA, researchers can understand how these communities influence health, digestion, immunity, and even mood. This knowledge is leading to new therapies and wellness strategies. Gene therapy is an exciting application of genomics where faulty genes are replaced or repaired to treat diseases. This approach holds promise for conditions that were once considered untreatable, such as certain genetic disorders and some types of cancer. Advances in genomics are making gene therapy safer and more effective. For individuals with rare diseases, genomics offers hope by enabling precise diagnosis and targeted treatments. Many rare diseases are caused by genetic mutations, and genomic sequencing can identify these changes quickly. This leads to faster diagnoses, better management, and improved quality of life for patients and their families. Personal genomics allows individuals to access information about their own DNA. With affordable genetic testing kits, people can learn about their ancestry, health risks, and even traits like taste preferences. This empowers individuals to make informed lifestyle and healthcare choices based on their unique genetic makeup. Direct-to-consumer genetic testing has made genomics accessible to the public. Companies offer easy-to-use kits that analyze DNA from a saliva sample, providing reports on ancestry, health, and traits. While these tests offer valuable insights, it's important to interpret results carefully and consult professionals for medical decisions. Genomics has revolutionized evolutionary biology by providing detailed insights into how species evolve over time. By comparing genomes, scientists can trace evolutionary relationships, study adaptation, and understand the genetic basis of traits. This knowledge deepens our understanding of life's diversity on Earth. Synthetic biology combines genomics with engineering to design and build new biological systems. Scientists can create organisms with specific functions, such as bacteria that produce medicines or clean up pollution. This innovative field is opening up new possibilities in biotechnology and environmental management. Bioinformatics is the use of computer technology to analyze genomic data. With the vast amount of information generated by sequencing, bioinformatics tools help scientists interpret results, identify patterns, and make discoveries. This field is essential for turning raw genomic data into meaningful insights. Pharmacogenomics is also transforming drug development. By understanding how genetic differences affect drug response, pharmaceutical companies can design safer and more effective medications. This reduces the risk of adverse reactions and speeds up the process of bringing new drugs to market. Emerging research is exploring the role of genomics in mental health. By identifying genetic factors that contribute to conditions like depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia, scientists hope to develop better diagnostics and personalized treatments. This could lead to more effective mental health care in the future. Nutrigenomics studies how genes interact with diet to influence health. By understanding these interactions, nutritionists can develop personalized dietary recommendations that optimize health and prevent disease. This field is paving the way for customized nutrition plans based on individual genetic profiles. Genomics is shedding light on the biological processes of aging. By studying the genes involved in aging and longevity, researchers hope to develop interventions that promote healthy aging and extend lifespan. This research could lead to new therapies for age-related diseases and improved quality of life for older adults. Athletes and coaches are turning to genomics to optimize training and performance. By analyzing genes related to muscle strength, endurance, and recovery, personalized training programs can be developed. This approach helps athletes reach their full potential while minimizing the risk of injury. Genomic analysis has made it possible to trace ancestry and migration patterns with remarkable accuracy. By comparing DNA from different populations, scientists can reconstruct family trees and understand human history. This has sparked a global interest in personal heritage and cultural identity. Plant breeders use genomics to identify genes responsible for desirable traits such as drought tolerance, disease resistance, and improved nutrition. This accelerates the development of new crop varieties that can thrive in changing climates and meet the world's food needs. Genomics helps scientists catalog and protect biodiversity by identifying species and understanding their genetic variation. This information is vital for conservation efforts, ecosystem management, and maintaining the balance of natural habitats. Veterinarians use genomics to diagnose and treat diseases in animals. By analyzing genetic information, they can identify inherited conditions, develop targeted therapies, and improve animal health. This approach benefits pets, livestock, and even wildlife. Antimicrobial resistance is a growing threat to global health. Genomics helps track the spread of resistant bacteria and understand the genetic mechanisms behind resistance. This knowledge is essential for developing new antibiotics and strategies to combat superbugs. Bioremediation uses living organisms to clean up pollution. Genomics helps identify and engineer microbes that can break down contaminants in soil and water. This environmentally friendly approach is being used to restore polluted sites and protect ecosystems. Personalized medicine tailors healthcare to an individual's genetic profile. By using genomic information, doctors can select the most effective treatments, avoid harmful side effects, and improve patient outcomes. This approach is becoming the standard of care in many medical fields. Educational programs are incorporating genomics to prepare the next generation of scientists, healthcare professionals, and informed citizens. By learning about genomics, students gain valuable skills in data analysis, critical thinking, and ethical decision-making, equipping them for careers in a rapidly evolving field. As genomics advances, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Issues such as privacy, consent, and genetic discrimination must be addressed to ensure responsible use of genomic information. Ongoing dialogue among scientists, policymakers, and the public is essential for navigating these challenges. Law enforcement agencies use genomics to solve crimes and identify missing persons. DNA databases and advanced sequencing techniques have improved the accuracy and speed of investigations, helping bring justice and closure to families. Use of genomic information in insurance raises important questions about fairness and privacy. While genomics can help assess health risks, it also poses challenges related to discrimination and data protection. Policymakers are working to establish guidelines that balance innovation with ethical considerations. Space agencies are using genomics to study how living organisms adapt to space travel. By analyzing genetic changes in astronauts and microbes, scientists can develop strategies to protect health during long missions and explore the potential for life beyond Earth. Public health agencies use genomics to monitor disease outbreaks, track transmission, and develop targeted interventions. This approach improves response times and helps prevent the spread of infectious diseases, ultimately protecting communities worldwide. Genomics is used to identify genetic factors that influence how people metabolize drugs. This information helps prevent adverse drug reactions and ensures that medications are safe and effective for each individual. Drug safety is a key benefit of integrating genomics into healthcare. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR are revolutionizing genomics. Scientists can now make precise changes to DNA, opening up possibilities for treating genetic diseases, improving crops, and even eradicating pests. This powerful tool is shaping the future of biology and medicine. Wellness companies are using genomics to offer personalized health and fitness plans. By analyzing genetic data, they can recommend exercise routines, dietary choices, and lifestyle changes tailored to each individual's needs. This approach is making wellness more effective and accessible. Population genomics studies the genetic makeup of entire populations to understand health trends and disease risks. This information guides public health policies, resource allocation, and preventive strategies, ultimately improving health outcomes on a large scale. With the rise of genomic data, ensuring privacy and security is more important than ever. Advanced encryption and secure storage solutions are being developed to protect sensitive genetic information from unauthorized access and misuse. As technology continues to advance, the applications of genomics will only expand. From personalized medicine to environmental sustainability, genomics is poised to transform every aspect of our lives. By embracing these innovations responsibly, we can unlock the full potential of our genetic blueprint for a healthier, more sustainable future.